10 tips for students to achieve the best results in their exam. For students preparing to sit exams, here are some key pieces of advice. Start early. Begin your exam preparation well in advance to avoid last-minute cramming. Spread out your study sessions over time to allow for better retention of information. Create a study plan. Develop a structured study plan outlining what topics you need to cover and when. Break down your study sessions into manageable chunks and allocate specific time slots for each subject. Practice past papers. Familiarize yourself with the exam format and types of questions by practicing past exam papers. This will help you become more comfortable with the exam style and identify any areas where you need to focus your revision. Understand the material. Instead of memorizing information blindly, strive to understand the underlying concepts and principles. This will enable you to apply your knowledge more effectively and answer exam questions with greater confidence. Stay organized. Keep your study materials, notes, and resources well organized to minimize stress and maximize efficiency. Create a dedicated study space free from distractions where you can focus solely on your revision. Take regular breaks. Schedule regular breaks during your study sessions to rest and recharge. Taking short breaks can help prevent burnout, improve concentration, and enhance overall productivity. Practice self-care. Prioritize self-care activities such as adequate sleep, healthy eating, and regular exercise during the exam period. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is essential for maintaining focus and performing at your best. Stay positive. Maintain a positive mindset and believe in your ability to succeed. Avoid dwelling on past mistakes or worrying excessively about the outcome of the exams. Focus on doing your best and trust in your preparation. Seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out to teachers, classmates, or support services if you need help or clarification on any topics. Surround yourself with a supportive network of individuals who can provide encouragement and assistance when needed. Visualize success. Visualize yourself performing well in the exams and achieving your desired results. Positive visualization can help boost confidence and motivation, making it easier to overcome challenges and stay focused on your goals. Good luck!